Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use and also block or activate the follow-up mode on your Amazon speaker. So first of all, we have to go for the devices tab, pick your Echo speaker, tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and then simply you have to scroll down. You have to scroll down until you find this option. It's follow-up mode. So right now we can turn it on. And it works like that. So when you wake our Alexa with our keyword, after like 20 seconds, she will be still up and we don't have to use the wake word. So let's take a look. Hey Alexa, what is the weather today?
Currently, in Stamiasto it's 13 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Today, you can expect intermittent clouds, with a high of 13 degrees and a low of 4 degrees.
Okay, and let's try with the second account, with the second question. How old is Cristiano Ronaldo? Okay, let's try one more time. Alexa, how old is Cristiano Ronaldo?
Cristiano Ronaldo is 37 years old.
How old is Leo Messi?
Lionel Messi is 35 years old.
Okay, so as you can see right now it works. For the first time it wasn't working, I don't know why, but right now it works. And that's the follow-up mode on your Alexa.speaker. You can turn it off by tapping on the switcher. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.